I'm always looking for a challenge. If I'm not challenged, I get very complacent and get bored. I bleed and sweat and give everything I got day in and day out, year after year. Because if you don't take risk, you know, in training and competing and in business, you're never going to succeed. That's life. Like a lot of things, failure has different meanings, I guess, depending on the context it's used in. You know, failure in training, you know, failure if you're doing a set is a good thing. I try to take every one of my working sets to failure. That doesn't mean you failed, that means you gave 100%. You gave everything you had inside you, so you couldn't lift the weight anymore. As far as failing, we all experience failure. You know, I've had some, you know, devastating defeats. I've had some injuries. You know, I don't know if you consider that a failure or not, but I turned them into positives because every time I got hurt, I usually came back better and won a major competition. As far as training partners, I've been very blessed. I trained with the same man for the past 20 years. Couldn't ask for a better partner. You know, training partners can be real good or real bad. You know, you get somebody who's late, complains, don't give 100%, they drag you down, get rid of them. Can't get them out the door fast enough. You get somebody who shows up on time, never complains, gives 100%, and every day they come in there, they're trying to kick your ass. You're a blessed person. Keep that guy or girl around because that's the kind of atmosphere and it's going to push you to make you a better bodybuilder.
Woo! Yeah, that's what we do, motherfucker. Wait. Fuck easy, wait. Oh yeah.
I was blessed to have someone like Johnny, you know, training with me for the past 20 years. We push each other. Man's never late. I've never heard him complain once. And every time I stepped in the gym, I knew how to war on my hands because if I didn't bring my A game every single time, I was gonna get my butt kicked.
Fucking do, baby! Yeah, let's go! Yep! Baby, let's go! Hi, motherfucker! Come on! Take it for a ride. Yeah. All day. Power. 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 Nobody. Nobody's better. Come on. Oh yeah. Warren. Show them. All fucking day. Woo! Ah! Yeah, motherfucker.
Let's fucking do it. Failure on the stage, you know, anything less than first is failure in my opinion. I never trained to get second place, you know. I used to see guys, you know, oh man, we're just trying to make the top 10 or, you know, take top 5. Man, I'm out on all that. I bleed and sweat and give everything I got day in and day out, year after year. And when you step on that stage, I want to win, you know, especially as an amateur. As an amateur, if you don't win, you don't move to the next level. You know, you go to the Nationals USA and you don't win, guess what? Thanks for trying, but come back and try again next year.
Yep. Get some. Get ready. All day. Enjoy it. Yep. Come on.
You know, as a professional, you want to win. You want to be the champion. You know, the surest way to get to Olympia is win. Win a competition, you're in. At the Olympia, second place, third place, fifth place, it sucks, you know. I've said it before, second place in the Mr. Olympia is the worst place in all of bodybuilding. And because you're so close to the ultimate goal that every bodybuilder, no matter who you are, is dreamed of. And getting second place is a tough pill to swallow, so there is no substitute for victory. So failure from a competitive standpoint, not a good thing. Failure in business, this being said, everybody fails. I think no one is ever going to win if they're afraid of failing. Because if you don't take risk, you know, in training and competing and in business, you're never going to succeed. That's life. You got to take risk, and you know, everybody fails. You know, the difference is the smart people and the people that are resilient. They learn from their mistakes and their failures. They correct whatever they did wrong, and they don't make the same mistakes again, and they move on and succeed.
Hell yeah.
Branch Warren and Apollon Nutrition. That's a winning combination right there.